Hey guys, good afternoon from beautiful southern Nevada. Hey listen, I was going through my gun safe the other day and I noticed a good handful of guns that I own have been discontinued over the years, and you know, for whatever reason. But I got to thinking, maybe I'll just do a series on my favorite discontinued firearms. So my very first video I'm going to do is on this Sig model 522. Look at this beauty, huh? Folding stock. This is chambered in 22 long rifle, but look at this. Now, this was made between 2009 and 2015. I bought this one in 2011. Okay, so why is this one of my favorite rifles? Well, let me tell you, a couple of reasons. One, really looks pretty cool, don't it? Two, this is probably the most reliable 22 rifle I've ever owned, and I've owned a lot over the last 50 years. But the main reason this is my favorite discontinued firearm, this is actually the very first gun I ever reviewed here on YouTube. This same exact gun I reviewed here December 2011, almost 12 years ago. And you know, just brings back a lot of good memories. I've put a lot of rounds through this, but let's take a close look at it while I'm talking about it. This does have a 16-inch barrel on it. Does have a fake gas tube here on the front. Polymer fore-end, polymer buttstock, which does have a little bit of adjustment to it. Lower receiver is polymer, upper receiver is aluminum. Let's just take a look at some of the markings on this. Sig 522, of course made in the USA. I do have a Vortex Crossfire red dot scope on this. It's a good little scope. You'll notice this button right here. And you got a little nub right here. And you got this right here. So if I push on this button, I can fold the stock. Pretty cool, huh? All right, you know what? It's time to put some rounds through this. Now, my son's not out here today because he's at work, but we were out here a couple of days ago and he did shoot this. So did I. So let me show you my son and I shooting this just a couple of days ago. Okay, son, see if you can hit it. Nice. I got it. You got it. You got it. You definitely don't want to fall into this damn thing. Okay, my turn. Nice. Boy, this thing is dead on at that distance. Now, I'm guessing that's probably, it's got to be close to 200 yards, maybe a little further. Oh man, I just love it out here, guys. Look at that. Just out here quail hunting, having a good day. Figured, why not bring this out and shoot a video with it, right? You know, I could do this all day, but I won't. Okay, son, let's see if you can hit this. All right?
All right,
ready?
let's do it.
Bounce that sucker.
Oh, I hit it in the air.
Did you?
Yeah, my second shot.
Oh, sweet. All right, good shooting. Okay, son, let's see if you can hit this. All right?
All right,
ready?
let's do it.
Okay, what do you got?
All right, try a couple standing up, see if I can hit it. All right.
All right.
I like it.
Yeah, pretty good
Shoots good.
shooting there, son.
Thank you.
Okay, pretty cool, huh? So you know what? I'm going to set up some targets out here, put a few more rounds through this, and just have a whole lot of fun, guys. All right, let's try a little further out. We might try that one again. All right. Yeah, much better. You know, to field strip this is almost like an AR-15. You have an upper and a lower receiver. I can push in this button right here and she opens up. I can pull the bolt back, pull out the charging handle, pull out the bolt. Very easy to clean, very easy to put back together. And that's how you do that. Hey, you know, if you liked the video, you know, give me a like, subscribe if you really liked it. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. I had a lot of fun making it, along with my son a few days ago. But if you ever come across one of these at a decent price, you might consider picking it up, because it really is a pretty neat rifle. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. And we'll see you next time. Yeah.